Alright, so we have just checked into the Ubud Village Hotel located in Ubud, Bali area, and this is the luxury suite room. Let's have a tour. This is the hallway encompassing the entryway, welcome kit. Then this is the sitting table, TV panel, and here we have a working desk, the view to the balcony. Not only one, we have got two big balconies over here, and this is the sitting area encompassing of a 5-seater sofa partitioned by another room. And now we are entering to the master bedroom. Just look at the size of this room. False ceiling, all across cob lights, and huge curtain area. And this bed is a king size bed with soft mattresses, telephone, directory, table lamp. This is the TV panel which separates the living hall to the main room, and this is the way to balcony. So this is our first balcony, the artifacts, and this is the pergola partition, the sitting table, chair, fan, sitting area, and just look at the outside view. So green, so amazing, so lush green. And now we are entering into the second balcony. You can already see the room. This is the second balcony. Paintings, wall arts, sitting table, chair, partition, another sitting table, and the temple area at the back front. And this is the outer view. Now we head to the clear view section of the balcony, and this is the hotel view. Palm trees, money plant, all green plantations, and this over here is the humongous pool. So it is spread all across the hotel, and the best part, it's raining today. Stay tuned for more.